In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 6 Facebook ad campaign objectives that you can use for your advert. You need to understand that when you are running Facebook adverts, the kind of campaign objective that you use determines the kind of result that you get. I have tested it over the years. For example, if you want to generate lead, but you choose the traffic objective, then you are not going to get the results that you want. You are definitely going to waste a lot of money if you don't choose the right campaign objective. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 6 types of Facebook ad campaign objective and exactly when you should be using each of them. By the end of this video, you are going to learn exactly what to do. Whenever you want to launch your ad, you will be able to know the kind of objective that you should use to give you the best result. You see, I was speaking to a client just a few days ago, and when I looked at his ad campaign, I realized that he was making a lot of mistake because he wanted to make sales. He was selling a physical product, which he should have used the sales objective. But guess what? He was using the engagement objective and he was not making a lot of sales. He was wasting a lot of money and he didn't know where the problem was coming from until I looked at his ad campaign and I knew exactly that this was the problem. And the moment we changed that Facebook ad campaign objective, in 24 hours, the result he got was fantastic and mind-blowing. So if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 6 type of Facebook ad campaign objective and when you should be using all of them. Are you ready? So let's get started. Just like you can see in your screen right now, the first one is called the awareness objective. That is this one, the awareness objective. You see, just like it showed right now, show your ad to people who are most likely to remember them. It's good for reach, brand awareness, and all of that. If you want to, let's say for instance that you are a big brand, just like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, and you just want to reach a lot of your audience. You are not interested whether they click and go to your website and purchase or become a lead. You just want them to be aware of this brand. You just want to reach a lot of people. This is the best kind of objective that you should be using. Now, I'm going to share with you why this objective is the best when you want to create awareness about your brand. Number one, you are going to get cheaper cost per result because you are just going to go with awareness. You don't need sales, you don't need lead. So you just want the advert to show in front of people, reach a lot of people. So you are going to get cheaper costs per result. In this case, the result you're getting is reach. So you're going to get cheaper cost per reach. Does that make sense? But if you are a business owner, a small business owner who does not have a lot of budget for yourself, and you just want to make sales or you just want to generate lead that you'll be able to convert them to become sale in the nearest future, you don't want to go with this objective. If you go with this objective, you are going to be wasting a lot of money. I hope that makes sense. Now, big brands like Coca-Cola, MTN, Pepsi, all these big brands, when you see their advert on Facebook, they are not telling you to go to their website. They are not telling you to purchase a product or become a lead. They are simply showing you their varieties of products and telling you the benefits of Coca-Cola, benefits of MTN, benefits of Pepsi, but they are not a direct response marketing campaign. Direct response marketing campaign is the kind of campaign that you create so that it gives you a direct response, so that your audience gives you a direct. That's why it's called direct response. So let's say I create an advert and the aim of the advert is for people to go to my website and put in their email address and their phone number to become a lead. That's a direct response campaign. But you won't be seeing this big brand doing it because they have all the budget. They just want to create a lot of awareness about their brand. Does that make sense? Now, let's go on to the second one. I won't waste time here. This is traffic. Send people to a destination like your website, app, Instagram profile, or Facebook event. Just like he said, it's good for link click, landing page view, and all of that. Now, traffic is mostly used when you just want to send people to a website. Let's say, for instance, I'm a blogger and I have a lot of articles on my blog. When when you are writing blog article, yes, you can infuse a lot of promotion, but the purpose of that blog article is to get a lot of people to read it. Do you understand? So I am not asking them to purchase, I'm not asking them to become lead. This is the right way to use traffic. So I just want to push people to go to my website and read a free content, or I just want to push people. Maybe there's a video that I've created and I have embedded it on my website. I just want to push people to go to that website and watch that video. This is where I will use traffic objective. This is where I will use traffic objective. And then let's move on to the engagement objective. When it comes to engagement, all of us have a social media account and we know what engagement means. It simply means people liking your post, commenting on your post, sharing your post, and all of that. This is the best way to use engagement. Let's say, for instance, that I have an advert that I launched and I just want to have a lot of engagement on that ad. Like I have seen a lot of adverts on Facebook, and I will see it will be like 23,000 like, 5,000 comments, 7,000 shares. All of these things are the work of engagement objective. So probably I want to run a page like advert. So I want people to go and like my Facebook page. This is the best objective to use. And when you create your engagement ad, there's a way you choose your page like. If you want to run page like, if you want people to engage on the advert you are running, there's a place to choose it. I'm not going to cover it in this video, but definitely one of these that will make a video on it and drop on my channel. So please make sure that you subscribe and turn on notification bell so that anytime I drop helpful videos like this on Facebook advert, lead generation, marketing and sales, you will be able to get notified when I drop it. So kindly go ahead and click on the subscribe button right away. So this is the engagement objective. This is the work of engagement objective, just so you can get a lot of engagement for your adverts. Now, there is another way that I use engagement objective and it's been working for me a whole lot. If I want to send people to WhatsApp, I want people to chat me directly to WhatsApp DM. I can use the engagement objective. There are different ways to use it. Our topic today is just the objective, so we're not going to cover how to use engagement, but I'll definitely make a video on it later on. Okay, so the next one here is lead. This is where I'm going to spend a lot of time because people tends to misunderstand this particular objective. You see, if your goal of advert is anywhere close to generating quality leads, this is the objective you should be using in 2024. Why? Because Facebook, when you use this objective, Facebook have been primed. Their AI machine works a whole lot and is very smart. They know that anybody that uses this objective is telling Facebook, okay, I want to generate lead from your platform. All I want you to do is to put my advert in front of people that are likely to become leads. And Facebook are very smart when it comes to their AI, because they know the kind of activities, they know people that are going to websites, putting in their detail and becoming lead for businesses. So what they do is that they show your advert to people that look like them, people that they believe will become lead for your business. They just go ahead and show your advert to them. So if you want to generate quality lead, especially if you are using a website, this is the objective to use. If you're not using a website, if you are using Facebook instance form, this is the right objective to use. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now, the next objective here is called app promotion. For some of us that are techie, that launches app, if you want to get a lot of people to download your application on Play Store or on App Store, please, this is the objective to use. Just like the name, app promotion. You want to promote your application that you've just launched. This is the objective to use. Just like he said, find new people to install your app and continue using it. So app install and app invent. This is the right objective to use if you want to promote your application. I have a friend that launched an application just a few months ago, and he is using this objective to run advert. And at this moment, I just spoke with him 2 days ago. He has been able to get at least 50,000 downloads for his application that he just launched few months ago. So this is really important. If you don't choose the right objective, you are not going to get results. you're going to miss out on all the benefits of using the right objective when it comes to Facebook adverts. I hope that makes sense. So if you have an application or if you have a client you want to work with and they are running advert just so they can get a lot of download for the application, please use this objective and you'll be able to get a lot of good results with your advert. And lastly, the sales objective. This is the oga pata pata. This is the center of it. Find people likely to purchase your product or service. Good for conversion, catalog sales, messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and all of that. Now, if your goal of your advert is to get sales for your business, this is the correct object. You can never go wrong with this objective if you just want to make sale for your business. So for e-commerce people, people that do e-commerce, for people that sell digital product directly from Facebook advert, where you go to the website and you check out, you pay with your card, this is the right objective to use. But there is something you need to know about using this objective. This sales objective and the lead objective, I want to quickly talk about it. You need to have a Facebook pixel. You need to have a Facebook pixel for you to be able to use this objective. The good thing is that I have recorded a video on how you can set up your Facebook pixel in 2024 after the iOS update. I went ahead and showed you the new way and the updated changes that you need to know and how you can correctly do this even if you're a complete newbie. So all you need to do is to go to my video description. I will link the video in the description below. Just go there and you'll be able to see the video on how to do that. So this is the sales objective, good for making sales with Facebook advert. If you're selling e-commerce products, digital products, services, home appliances, this is the right objective you should be using in 2024. Let me say it again. The kind of objective that you use determine the kind of result you get with your Facebook ad. If you want sales and you choose traffic, you're just going to be wasting a lot of money. If you want awareness and you choose lead, then you are not going to meet the objective that you choose for your business. If you want to get a lot of engagement and you choose lead, you are going to be wasting a lot of money and you will not get that goal for your business. So make sure that you watch this video to the end and ensure that you use the right objective whenever you want to launch your Facebook ad campaign. I'm sure that if you follow this step that I've outlined, if you choose the right objective for your adverts, you are going to get fantastic results with your ad, especially when you know how to set up your advert the right way. And talking about setup, please subscribe to this channel because this channel is dedicated to everything about Facebook adverts, lead generation, marketing, sales, entrepreneurship. So if you want to learn any of these, this is the right channel for you. All you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I drop videos like this. Thank you so much for staying to the end, and I will see you in the next video.